In this video, I will show you how to export Google Contacts to CSV. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, select the contacts you want to export by clicking the checkbox next to each entry. This allows you to choose either a partial list or all your saved contacts. Once the desired contacts are selected, click on the three dots, the More Actions menu, at the top part of your screen. Then, click on Export. A pop-up window will then show. In here are your options for export format. To ensure compatibility with Google's own services, you will then select Google CSV, then click on Export. It will now then automatically download the CSV file in your computer. The CSV file is a common text format for tabular data. When you open or click the file, it will now then open as an Excel file, where you can easily review all your contact data structured in columns and rows, and that's how to export Google Contacts to CSV.